Hi everyone, my name is Lizzie Gaffney. I am a junior here at Illinois State, and this is my Get to Know Me. Where am I from? I'm from a south suburb of Chicago called New Lenox. It's about 45 minutes south from Chicago. And one cool thing about my town is that we are known for having the tallest Santa decoration in our downtown area throughout the holidays, which is pretty cool. What is my major? I am a business management major. I specialize in human resources. One main goal for the future is to work in real estate and to do HR for a larger real estate company. I currently work for a pool and landscaping company right now, and I was offered a full-time HR job after graduating in December. What is a fun activity I did over winter break? I went ice fishing for the first time in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, which was pretty awesome. And I also bought a new car. And that's the end. So, everyone, good luck this semester. Can't wait to see what this class is about. Thanks.